What's up, you guys? Mr. Mid Advance Sean B here with this month's Wrestle Crate unboxing. I told you guys I was having multiple uploads in the previous video, so let's get right into this, baby, shall we? For this month's Wrestle Crate. I love wrestling, Marty and Sarah. I love wrestling all this month. We're expressing our love. All things for moonsaults, blah, blah, blah. Marty and Sarah love wrestling.com. You go check that out. So, this month's crate theme is, well, it's November's, but we're supposed to get a Bret Hart, something in here from Bret Hart. So, let's start with the t-shirt, shall we? Going Places t-shirt. Marty and Sarah love Wrestlingville. I guess they're going hard with this Marty and Sarah stuff. But, hey, cool shirt nonetheless. Cool shirt nonetheless. Next up, we got a Iron Sheik pop vinyl. Ooh, I love this. Iron Sheik go safe. Yourself. I'll break your back and make you humble, Bubba. You jabroni. Sorry, that was the worst impression ever. MSLW exclusive. What's with this Marty and Sarah stuff in here this month? I don't know what that is, but we got a pin for it. Wrestling with Depression, Marty DeRosa sticker. And Marty and Sarah Love Wrestling, another sticker. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. We got a gobbledygooker. A gobbledygooker pin. I thought I would never see the day. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. PCW Phantasm. Let's see. Timothy Thatcher versus Joe Graves. Leo Rush versus Douglas James versus Joey Janela. Hammerstone. Oh, Hammerstone's in this. Hell yeah, my boy. Versus the Oracle. Joey Ryan versus Jeff Cobb. Low Key versus Drago. PCW Tag Team Championship Tournament. War Beasts versus Keepers of the Faith. PCW Heavyweight Championship Tournament. Willie Mack versus Rob Van Dam. That's going to be dope. And the autograph this month is Bret the Hitman Hart. Excellence of Execution. Dope. I have like 1,000 Bret Hart autographs. But, hey, you can't have... One can always have more autographs than Bret the Hitman Hart. But this one's so fucking big that, I don't know if it's going to fit in my autograph binder. But hey, once again, Wrestle Crate nailed it. And I'll be back with more unboxings, more predictions, more wrestling content for your brain. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. Do all that stuff. Follow me on everything. And I want you guys to have a very happy Thanksgiving. Give thanks to the loved ones. Wolfpack out.